Hello. Today we're going to have a look at how to insert a skylight. When you have drawn your roof, you can add skylights. Click on Wall Opening step. To find the skylight on the software, there are two options. The first one is to use the search bar. Search for roof, followed by the dimensions you need. The second one is by searching in the catalog. Go to the roof section, then select the window you want. Then you just have to click on the thumbnail and insert it on the roof. This quotation will appear to show the distance from the walls. When the skylight is installed, you can move it using the arrows on the keyboard for more precise placement. In the right panel, you can customize your skylight. In the first thumbnail, its dimensions. In the second one, if you want a glazed area. And the third one, the colors of the frame. You can delete or duplicate it at any time. Your skylights appear in the plan step on the level where they were added. That's it. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.